Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to bring you a super easy and delicious sea moss smoothie. It's green, it's healthy, it's good. Let's get into it. You'll need half of one green apple. You'll need about 2 cups of kale. You'll need 1 banana. You'll also need about 1 cup of frozen pineapple. You're also going to need about 1 cup of kiwi, 1 tablespoon of sea moss gel, and this is the sea moss that I'm using today. And you're going to also need about 8 ounces of spring water, and I'm also adding about a cup of ice. Then you're going to want to blend it up until it's nice and creamy. So good. Hey, for you guys who are curious about how this sea moss tastes by itself, I'm going to dip this clean little spoon in here and just take a little bit out and give you my honest opinion on how it tastes by itself. Just for you guys that maybe wanted to incorporate sea moss into your diet without anything else, you may want to just like take a little bit every day because of the nutritional value and health benefits that it has. Let me just taste it by itself and give you guys my honest opinion. Let's see. It tastes good. It really doesn't have any kind of taste. Really flat. I mean, there's like a hint of something, but I really can't even give you a comparison. Like it tastes like this. It looks like applesauce, or it looks like mashed pear. It has a pear kind of color to it. But as far as taste, I really don't taste anything. So that's good if you're looking to use it in different recipes and you're worried about it overpowering the other flavors that you have going on. Yeah, if you want more information on this company, I'll leave everything in the description box below so you can check out their website and order some if you would like some. Yeah, this stuff is good. Very nice. And you don't have to go through all the headache of making it yourself. I know a lot of people are getting all the health benefits of sea moss and also losing a lot of weight with it. So what I did was I put together a really awesome recipe book for you guys so that you can just get started right away with making your sea moss smoothies. Check the description box for that recipe book, and also check it for how to get in touch with this company so you can order some sea moss gel without having the headache of making it yourself. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. I have a lot of recipe videos coming up. Hit like if you like this content, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.